You are going to love the 2023 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.